Jordan is one of the most water-scarce countries in the world. It mainly depends on shrinking renewable water supplies of surface water and groundwater and non-renewable resources to meet the growing demand. Groundwater is being used twice as quickly as it can be recharged and is becoming increasingly difficult to abstract and is of lower and lower quality. A high rate of population growth along with the influx of refugees from regional conflicts. These have combined to push Jordan well below absolute water scarcity, which is defined as less than 500 cubic meters of water per year per person. Jordan currently has less than 100 cubic meters of water per person per year. Climate change also left its marks on the rain patterns, threatening to aggravate the problem of the already stressed water supply. This made Jordan turn to its only sustainable source, the Red Sea, to produce drinking water through desalination, a critical factor to the country's economic growth. Aqaba Amman Water Desalination and Conveyance Project is one of the largest desalination projects in the world. It relies on a sustainable resource, the Red Sea. It is comprised of a seawater intake system on the Gulf of Aqaba coast, drawing seawater from levels below the surface, following the best environmental practices to avoid disruptions to sea life, and discharging treated brine back to the sea, while following strict water quality parameters. The drawn seawater is conveyed to a desalination plant to produce fresh water through reverse osmosis. Through the water conveyance system, the fresh water is pumped through approximately 450 kilometers to Amman, lifting large quantities of water annually from sea level to elevations as high as 1,090 meters above sea level. Requires the construction of large pump stations along the way. To reduce the resulting energy consumption cost, innovative power supply and efficiency solutions will be applied. Aqaba Amman Water Desalination and Conveyance Project will supply 300 million cubic meters of potable water annually, equivalent to the demands of approximately 4 million people, providing potable water to all en route governorates starting from Aqaba to Ma'an to Tafile to Karak to Madaba till it ends in Amman, providing water supply to be distributed to the rest of northern governorates. This sustainable resource will reduce the pressure on groundwater and surface water, allowing nature to rehabilitate depleted aquifers and maintain the supply of water to the people of Jordan. This design and tendering phase of the project comes in partnership between the Ministry of Water and Irrigation and the United States Agency for International Development to improve water supply and meet the needs of Jordanians, thus enhance water security for Jordan.